Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this beautiful heart shaped coaster. Also you can use this as applique if you want to applique in something, some baby dress or anywhere. This is very beautiful heart shape and very simple, easy to make. Just only single crochet, double half crochet and double crochet involved in this heart. So just follow the tutorial step by step. It's very easy and simple to make. So let's get started. So start with this slip knot, turn and make slip knot over here like this. Now I have to make 8 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and now 1 2 3 on the third chain I'll make a double crochet on the third. Make yarn over and make over here double crochet like this, and then next chain as well make double crochet, the next. Okay, so now after this on the next chain we'll make double crochet but 3 times. In this chain we'll make 3 times. 1 2 same place, 3. So I have 3 times in this, and on the next chain as well I'll make 3 times double crochet. 1 2 and 3. So this is, and on the next chain 1 time only double crochet, just 1 time. So in this 1 time double crochet, yes, or and very last chain I'll make double crochet 4 times. So 1 2 and one more time, no sorry, 3 and then 4. So I have 4. Now this line is complete. So I'll make now I'm gonna make this side, the other side. For this, what I have to do, for this I'll yarn over and then I'll make in this same place, if you see, make 3 times. 1 2 and 3 times. So here, so now if you see, I made over here 4 and then 3, so total 7 in this, and then now yarn over and we're gonna make double crochet next chain in this, in next count over here. So we're gonna make 4 double crochet together. So 1, and we're not gonna make this one, so just leave like this. 1 and then yarn over, make next 2. So we're gonna keep like this, then third here, make like this, keep it like this, and next 4th last, this is 4th. So here 4 single double crochet I make over here, 1 2 3 4, and now we're gonna take all together these 5 counts, take all together. like this. After this, we have this last count left. We're gonna make 6 double crochet inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we're gonna make last 6. So now I make in this last chain 6 double crochet. So this line is complete. Now for this we're gonna complete with stitch. If you see this 3 chain we make over here, if you see like this, so here 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain. The first top one, skip the last 2, and the very first on the top, if you see, make a slip stitch over here, just join with the slip stitch. That's it. So we complete 1 round. Now you can see small heart shape. So 1 round complete. Now we're gonna make second round. For the second round, what we're gonna do, in the second round, make 1 chain over here, 1 chain, and then same where we make over here 1 chain, make it over here double half crochet. So for double half crochet, yarn over, and over here in this place you see, make 1 double half crochet, just same way we make the slip stitch over there, double half crochet 1. So now, not 1, we will make 2 double half crochet, not 1, sorry. So 1 and make it 1 again, double half crochet on the same place here. So 2 double half crochet. We made 1 chain and then 2 double half crochet. After that, next 4 chain we're gonna make, next 4 chain 4 double half crochet. For go next chain, make 1, 2 double half crochet, next chain, and then third, and then fourth. So 4, and now we will make 3 double crochet in the 1. So here if you see, in this place yarn over, in make a double crochet 1, and now in the same place we will make 3 times. So 1, now this is 2 double crochet. Now we'll make third time 3. So 3 times double crochet in the same place, in this. Now next we'll make 4 double half crochet in next 4 chain, 1 2 3 4. So 1 double half crochet in, then next chain 2, then next chain 3, then next chain 4. So we got 4 double half crochet, and then in the next chain we will make 2 double half crochet. So in next chain 2 double half crochet. So 1 and same place 2 double half crochet, and then in the next chain as well same 1 and 2. So 2 double half crochet again, we got. And now in the next chain we'll make 3 double half crochet. 1, same place, 2, in the same place, 3 double half crochet in this. Okay, so next chain we will make 3 double half crochet as well in this chain 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times. Done 3 times. And then 3 times done over here. In next chain we'll make 2 times. Over here, next chain 2 times, 2 double half crochet. 1 time and 2 times, 2 double half crochet. And then 1 single crochet next. In this next, 1 single crochet. Just 1 single crochet. And then now we have this. Now next 2 we're gonna make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. So make it here together like this. And then next chain make 1 single crochet, yeah, and then next chain we'll make 2 double half crochet, 1 and 2, same place, second one, same place, second. So these 2 single crochet. And then next as well, sorry, this was double half crochet. And next we'll make in this 3 times, 3 double half crochet, 1, 2, same place, 3. So 3 times in this double half crochet. Next chain as well will make 3 times, 3 double half crochet, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times. Now we have left last 1 chain. If you see, we have only last 1 chain. So we're gonna make over here 2 double half crochet together, 1 and 1 more time, 2. So this line is completed. Now what I'm gonna do, just join with the slip stitch. We'll join this very first chain. If you see, just skip this one, down one, just skip very first chain on the top, straight, and make it over here, slip stitch, joint. So now we completed 2 lines, 2 rows. And now if you will count, we have total 38 stitches. If you will count this, total 38 we have.